Russell told me that gay men like him want the right to be different, but with full equality before the law. They ask, why should your sexual orientation give you a different status?
We do not need tolerance, because if someone says, oh yes, I tolerate gays, I want to punch them in the face. Like you tolerate naughty pets. Toleration is like the rudest word I think you can apply to gay rights. You know, the best thing in the world I think can happen is one day, within any family, a 14-year-old boy could be sitting there with his dad watching the telly, and Baywatch comes on, and there's the man in red trunks running through the surf, and the boy, the 14-year-old boy, can perfectly naturally, in front of his dad, say, whoa, he's a bit all right, I fancy him, and dad doesn't blink. We are a long way away from that. That is the only thing I hope for. And 100 years, maybe even 200 years, for that absolute normality.